Hello, everyone. If you use n8n, then I have great news for you. Hello, everyone. If you use n8n, then I have great news for you. The latest update, n8n v1.81.4, has just been released. This update brings faster workflows, new integrations, and important bug fixes. In today's video, we'll go over what's new, how to update, and why you should use n8n. Let's get started. What's new? First, let's talk about the performance boost. n8n now runs faster than before, making your complex workflows execute more smoothly. Next, we have bug fixes. Some previous issues, such as delays in specific triggers or incorrect outputs, have now been resolved. Additionally, there are new integrations, meaning you can now connect even more apps and services to enhance your automation. Finally, security updates have been added to keep your data and workflows safer than ever. How to update? So how can you update to the latest version? If you're using npm, just run this command. npm install n8n latest. For Docker users, use this command. Docker pull n8 neo n8n latest. That's it. You're now on the latest version of n8n. Why use n8n? Why should you use n8n? Because it's a powerful open source automation tool that works like Zapier or Make, but with self-hosting capabilities. This makes it more customizable and secure, allowing you to run it on your own server. So what do you think about the new n8n update? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. That's it for today. See you in the next video.